In a world obsessed with youthful appearances and natural beauty solutions, face yoga has emerged as a popular trend that promises to tone, lift, and rejuvenate the face, all without needles, surgery, or expensive skincare products. In this video, we will share 7 days of face yoga. Can it really sculpt your face naturally? Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. Face yoga is a set of facial exercises designed to engage, stretch, and strengthen the muscles of the face and neck. It works much like traditional yoga for the body, combining movement, controlled breathing, and mindful awareness. These exercises are said to increase blood circulation, encourage lymphatic drainage, boost collagen production, and reduce facial tension, leading to a more toned and youthful appearance. A typical 7-day face yoga routine focuses on key areas of concern, such as sagging cheeks, fine lines around the eyes, forehead wrinkles, and jawline definition. The exercises often take only 5 to 10 minutes a day and can be done at home without any equipment. Popular moves include the cheek lifter, strengthens cheek muscles and lifts sagging skin. The V targets eye bags and crow's feet while improving eye circulation. The jaw sculptor tones the jawline and reduces double chin appearance. The forehead smoother helps reduce the appearance of frown lines and wrinkles. Neck stretch aids in lifting the neck area and improving posture. During a 7-day trial, most people will not experience a dramatic transformation, but subtle improvements can be observed. Common short-term benefits include reduced puffiness, especially around the eyes, slightly firmer and smoother skin, better blood flow to the face, and a more relaxed and refreshed appearance. These results are largely due to increased circulation and the release of fluid retention rather than actual muscle building. So, what can you really expect from 7 days of face yoga? Think of it as the beginning of a longer journey. While you may not see dramatic sculpting or wrinkle reduction in a week, you're likely to feel a difference. More relaxed facial muscles, smoother skin, and an energized glow. The best part? Face yoga is free, easy to do, and has no side effects. You don't need fancy tools or a gym membership. Just a mirror, your hands, and a few minutes a day are enough to get started. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.